Hey, welcome back to DanishTube. In this video, I'm just going to give a few examples of funny sounding words in Danish. Let's do it. DanishTube. So basically, the examples that I have with me are pretty much almost all of them from French. That is, Danish words of French origin. And it's quite funny because I'm not really a fan as such of the French language, not that I've invested a lot of time in it, but I noticed that a lot of women in particularly really like the sound of the French language. It's kind of sexy, romantic. It doesn't really do anything for me. Although I do like the French words in Danish, which is a bit ironic or stupid, I don't know which one. But yes, they have very unique sounds. For example, the word restaurant in Danish is restaurant. 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 So you can see the ending is kind of like ang. Ang. Another example is the word ambulance. In Danish, ambulance. Ambulance. Doesn't make any sense how you read it to how you say it. I don't know how these are really pronounced in French, but I guess it's kind of a similar sound. But I guess if you are from France, then let me know if it sounds anything like it does in your language. Some other examples which have the same sort of ending almost sound. Platform in Danish is Perron. 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 Yet. And Beton. Beton, which is concrete, I guess. Beton. Croissant, of course, is another one. Croissant. So we have this sound of ang and ong. So if it's ending with an A and an N, we have ang, and ON is ong. Okay, it's almost like it has a G at the end or something. One that often comes up in my classes is the word for compliment, which in Danish looks almost the same as it does in English. It's just with a K and not a C, but you pronounce it kompliment. 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 It's compliment, which is quite funny. And if you then say the compliment, you have to put it on the end of the word, which then makes it complimangle. So now you have the ang of the French sound plus the Danish soft D sound, angle, angle, complimangle. Really crazy. The last one I have is from English, and it's actually the word jungle. And you may think, of course, that this is the Danish J, which is jøl, and it has the y sound more often than not, like in words like yeah. But it's from English, this word, so you actually use the English J with the Danish sort of ending of gle, jungle, in jungle, in jungle. Really funny sound. It's one of my favorite words to say in Danish. Ironically, it's an English word. So in jungle. So, quick recap. Restaurant, ambulance, perron, beton, kompliment, croissant, og jungle. Do you know any more funny sounding words? Probably all of them. Do you know any more funny sounding words in Danish? If you do, write them in the comment section. Remember, if you're from France, let me know how these compare to their French equivalents. And I'll see you again in the next video. Hi hi. DanishTube.